Hello guys, welcome to our video.
What's up?
Hold me
What's up?
close till I get up. Watch him.
How he's done.
Run it.
Like something.
He's in there.
Yeah. That was good height.
Ah, gee.
Your legs failed. Dude.
That's good. I think. Ow!
Dad, we gotta try that again.
What hit the...
Yeah, try it again.
Let's rebuild the ramp. I crushed it.
You didn't see where you went.
Oh yeah, we said the person in the back had that one.
Yeah.
We're like running over.
Alright, let's go.
Can I have that one?
No, let's try both.
No, I get to go in the back now.
Ah!
I didn't even get a jump. Yeah. Way out.
Ow! Ah! Ow! Ah! Ow! I know Buddy's missing it.
I missed him by looking at Frank. No! One, go.
No!
Rick, get off of me.
Dude, Bro tried to sell me.
Bro, you gotta come sooner.
Ow!
Stay together, buddy.
Brick. Ow. Ow. My leg.
kicked you.
Yeah, I got flat.
Go.
Oh God! No!
Oh shoot.
Bro, you gotta come earlier.
I tried.
Brody, that's like snacks.
Go.
Ow! Rick! My hip, dude.
Oh shit! Whoa! Ow! Whoa! Ow!
One, go. I'm back. That's so risky. Alright, now let's get on that one. Ow! We all
Oh!
We gotta get it!
Wait!
Hey, I need to save him now.
Ow, that hurts so bad. Ready? Hold it, hold it.
Dude. That's so scared. Hold it, hold it. Alright.
What?
Go. Bro,
What?
go.
Doing what?
Do what Leah said.
Go down. Ah, and then fly on it back.
Candle hat commands you.
Ah!
Frick.
Dude, it got all in my hood.
I can see it from here.
Yeah. Gotta get the snow out. Ah.
Get the what? I'm the crew. What the frick? Leo. Oh, no. Dude, no. What? I didn't on it. You sat on it.
Ow!
Wow, why'd you put my phone in the snow?
I ended them.
I didn't sit on it. You were going towards me.
I tried to
Dude.
I tried to get out of the way.
Bruh.
Wait, do you hear Leo sit on it?
I didn't